Hi, it's Stacy at Wayside Garage. I'm here with my ASE certified technician, Alan, and we've had quite a few cars come in lately with air conditioning issues, whether it be that the AC needs to be serviced because the Freon is low, or there's a component that has gone bad or leaking. We actually have a Jeep here, Grand Cherokee, that came in for the air conditioning not operating. I believe this one came in with having a hissing noise. So we actually ran some tests and found that it was the evaporator.
Evaporator core was leaking.
Evaporator core was leaking. So Alan, can you tell me, what does the evaporator core do?
The evaporator core is the unit that's in the dashboard. It cools down the inside of the car. It removes the heat. It's about 32 degrees, and you got the hot air which flows through the core and actually boils the refrigerant. And
is that the component that looks a little bit like a radiator?
Looks like a little radiator, correct.
Got it.
Yeah, and it cools down the inside of the car.
And then along with that, the evaporator core, we have the air conditioning compressor, there's the receiver dryer, there's lines. What are some other components that could possibly have issues with that will cause the air conditioning to not work? Anything else that you can think of?
Oh, well, there's multiple things. Leaks are the number one cause. This particular one had a leak in the evaporator core. Leaks, like I say, are the number one cause of the AC not working properly. And when that happens, you got to locate the leak and repair it.
Perfect. If you are having any issues with your air conditioning, give us a call at Wayside Garage, 831-899-2425. I have ASE certified technicians that are happy to make sure that your vehicle is running properly and the air conditioning is operating, especially on these hot days. Fortunately, we live in the Monterey Bay where it's beautiful, but if you plan on going out of town, you want to make sure that you're staying cool. Also, you can schedule an appointment online, which is www.waysidegarage.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube for more tech tips.